Today I'm going to show you exactly how to factory reset your Vizio M-Series or P-Series TV. I'll show you the two main ways to do it. Let's get into it. First things first, and this is crucial. A factory reset will wipe your TV back to how it was the day you took it out of the box. That means all your logged-in apps like Netflix, your custom picture settings, and all your Wi-Fi passwords will be gone. But if you're ready to go ahead, let's look at the two methods. This is the easiest and most common method, and it's what you'll use if your TV is still responding to your remote. Step 1. Grab your Vizio remote and press the menu button. Now, if you have one of the newer smart remotes with dedicated Netflix or watch-free buttons, your menu button might actually look like a little gear icon or 3 horizontal lines. It does the same thing. Step 2. Once the menu is up, use the arrow keys to navigate to Reset and Admin or Admin and Privacy. Step 3. Inside that menu, you'll see an option for Reset TV to Factory Settings. You might also see a soft power cycle option. That's just a fancy reboot. Try that first if you want, but for the full reset, select Reset to Factory Settings and then choose Reset TV and press Yes. Next, the TV will ask for a parental control pin. If you never ever set one up, the default code is almost always 0000. That's 4 zeros. Enter that code, confirm that you're sure, and then just let the TV do its thing. It'll turn off, restart. You'll be greeted with the initial setup screen, just like it's brand new. Okay, what if your remote is lost, broken, or the TV is completely frozen and won't show any menu? There's a way to reset it using the physical buttons on the TV itself. First, make sure the TV is plugged in and turned on. Then, you need to find the physical buttons. On most Vizio TVs, these are on the back of the set, usually on the lower left or right-hand side. Sometimes it's a row of buttons, and on super slim models, it might be just one single button you rock back and forth. Next, you need to press and hold 2 buttons at the same time, the volume down button and the input button. And if single button, just press that one only. Hold them down together for a good 10 to 15 seconds. You might see the TV's power light blink or a message appear on the screen. After you've held them, release the buttons and just wait. The TV should automatically kick off the factory reset process. It might take a few minutes, so be patient. And that's it. Hit that like button below. It really helps the channel out.